Hello, welcome back. Today we are moving on to the next category of animals that do not have bonds. In the previous video we have discussed about corals, starfish, sea urchins and sea anemones that do not have bonds as well as their characteristics. In this video we are going to study more about the animals that do not have bonds. First one is octopus. Octopus have 8 arms for catching food. They squirt an inky liquid to hide from enemies. So this is the major characteristic of the octopus. First one is that they have 8 arms in order to catch food. And they squirt an inky liquid to hide from the enemies. Okay, in order to escape from the enemies, they will emit an inky liquid. Okay, in order to escape from the enemies. Snails and oysters are related to octopus. Their body is covered by a shell. Some of them live in rivers and lakes. Some live in the sea. Some snails live on land. Some oysters make pearls. So you can see the picture of octopus, oyster and snail. Snail are very familiar, isn't it? So snails and oysters are related to octopus. Their body is covered by a shell and they live in rivers, lakes and some of them live in the sea. Some snails live on land and some oysters make pearl. Okay. And next one, crab and prawns have a shell that covers their body. They have many pair of legs. Some live in ponds and rivers while some live in the sea. So we are familiar with the crabs also, isn't it? The crabs and prawns also have shells on their body and they have many pair of legs. Some live in ponds and rivers and while some other live in the sea. Scorpions and spiders are related to crab, prawns and insects. They have a pair of feelers and 4 pairs of legs. Many spiders spin webs with a silken thread they make themselves. A scorpion has a sting in its tail. The scorpion uses it to kill small animals. You can see in the picture the scorpion and its sting. The sting is used to kill the other small animals. Okay, so spiders and scorpions are also related to crabs, prawns and insects. Okay, they have a pair of feelers and 4 pairs of legs. Okay, and many spiders spin web. We are familiar with the web of a spider, isn't it? They are making the web by themselves. We are not doing anything for them, isn't it? They are making the web themselves. Okay, by the silken thread they are making. And scorpion has a sting that it is in order to used to kill the small animals. So children, in this video we have discussed about the octopus. It has 8 arms in order to catch the food, and snails and oysters, and of course what are crabs, spiders and scorpions. So all these categories of animals do not have bonds, and we have discussed about their characteristics also. So everyone, go through your textbook, understand the concept, keep watching, keep safe in your home. Thank you.